In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Buffalo Wild Wings gift card balance. It's a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, or any other browser you like. Once your browser is open, head over to your favorite search engine. You might use Google or Bing. Type in Buffalo Wild Wings and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Buffalo Wild Wings. Now look through the search results to find the official Buffalo Wild Wings website. Be sure to select the correct link, which is typically at the top of the list. This ensures you're navigating to the right place. It's important to use the official site to avoid any potential scams or phishing sites. Once you've landed on the Buffalo Wild Wings homepage, direct your attention to the top of the page. Here you'll find a menu with various options. Look for the section labeled Gift Cards and give it a click. This section is crucial as it houses all the information related to gift cards. From there, you'll want to scroll down the page until you see an option that reads Check Balance. Click on it. This is where you'll be able to enter your gift card details to see how much value is left on your card. Remember, checking your balance regularly helps you keep track of your spending. Next up, take a look at the footer of the page. Sometimes companies include additional links in this section. You might find another check balance link there, so go ahead and click it if you see it. This is a handy alternative if you missed it earlier on the page. With that ready, you will be prompted to enter your gift card number and PIN. Carefully type in these details to avoid any mistakes. Your gift card number is usually a long series of digits, while the PIN is typically a shorter number. Double-check these entries to ensure accuracy. Entering accurate details is vital for retrieving your balance correctly. After entering your information, the next step is to click the Confirm button. By doing this, you're submitting your information to the system to retrieve your card's balance. You will see a confirmation appear, and the balance should be displayed shortly thereafter. This confirmation reassures you that your information has been processed. At this point, you should now see the balance of your gift card on the screen. Knowing your gift card balance is beneficial as it informs you of how much you can spend on your next visit to Buffalo Wild Wings. It's always good to know your balance to avoid any surprises when you're ready to pay. Don't forget to log out or close the browser tab once you're done checking your balance. This small step helps protect your information, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Buffalo Wild Wings gift card balance. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for joining me, and enjoy your next visit to Buffalo Wild Wings.